Hello all, happy to see you again with a new topic, analog to digital converters and digital to analog converters. In the previous videos, we have discussed about logic gates, combinational and sequential circuits, adders and operational amplifiers. In this video, analog to digital converter and digital to analog converter, where it is used, where this ADC and DAC, we call it in short form, is used. The applications of ADC. So a person is talking using a microphone, so which is an analog signal, and the output will be something we have to hear. It is a speaker. So this voice signal, this analog signal is converted to a digital system to transfer some place, and again this digital value should be converted to analog value in order to hear for a human being. So this is the basic application for analog to digital, basic application of analog to digital converter and digital to analog converter. So in this, the first thing is analog waveform, where it is converted into pulses with zeros and ones, and the output analog waveform. Again that digital value is converted to analog waveform in order to hear for a human being. This is the best application. Coming to the block diagram. Measurement of a physical variable, that we call it as a transducer, which is given to an analog to digital converter, and this digital logic system will again transfer the data to the output by converting the digital value again into an analog signal. That is again control or physical variable, that is a control system. So here the analog electrical signal is converted to digital and it is transferred to some place, and again that digital value is converted to analog for the output person to use. This is the basic block diagram of analog to digital and digital to analog converter. Coming to digital to analog converter, how it can be done? There are two methods to convert digital to analog. That is weighted summing amplifier and R2R network approach. Coming to weighted summing amplifier, so this is the circuit diagram where the operational amplifier is used in order to get the one output, where we can use multiple inputs in the non-inverting terminal. So advantages of this weighted summing amplifier will be simple in construction and it will be faster in conversion, that is digital to analog values. Disadvantages is it requires large range of resistors and it can be expensive because we need n number of resistors, so it can be expensive and it is of 8-bit size. So this is the main disadvantage of weighted summing amplifier. Coming to R2R network, again here we will be considering the opposite side. So in the non-inverting terminal, here also we need n number of resistors, that is number of different levels will be 2 power n and number of steps will be 2 power n minus 1. So this is the block diagram of R2R network. In the advantages, the resistor values are used in R2R ladder type, does not need any precision resistors as binary weighted resistor. It does not need any precision resistors and it is cheap and easy to manufacture. Whereas in disadvantages, it has a resolution or step size will be step size by full scale output into 100%. If we calculate, we will get the percentage resolution. The main disadvantage will be it will be having 2 power n minus 1 steps. Coming to analog to digital conversion, again we have three types: digital ramp, successive approximation and flash type ADC. ADC is analog to digital conversion. In successive approximation type, see this will be the logic diagram for successive approximation type. The equivalent analog output voltage of digital to analog converter is applied to the non-inverting input of the comparator. The second input of the comparator is unknown and it is analog input voltage, which is given as SAR is successive approximation register, and we have inputs and the end process. So the thing will be 0 0 0 0. Once again, if we are continuing this process, and the logic will be adding one by one. First we have to set the VA value. If VA value is 2, the first logic will be 0 0 0 0, and again in the next cycle the first bit will be it will not become 1. From the right corner, the left side will be 1. Like that it changes. So successive approximation type, we will be having the most significant bit is set 0 and the second most significant bit will be set as 1. And this is the explanation for analog to digital converter. Advantages is conversion time is very small and conversion time is constant and independent of the amplitude of the analog input signals. And the main disadvantage will be circuit is complex. So this is what we have discussed. So in this video, we have discussed about the converters like analog to digital and digital to analog conversions. Thank you.